Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to do a subject-verb agreement exercise. There are 20 questions, and we will solve them one by one. You can pause the video, write your answer, and then check the answer and explanation. So, let's start. Let's start. Question 1. The boy dashed to school every day. Options: go, goes. The subject is the boy. Boy is singular, so we need a singular verb. The correct answer is goes. The boy goes to school every day. Remember, a singular subject takes a singular verb. In the simple present tense, a singular verb usually takes s or s. For example, he plays football. She goes to school. But with plural subjects, they play football. We go to school. So, the boy is singular, and the correct answer is goes. The boy goes to school every day. Question 2. The girls dash in the garden. Options: play, plays. The subject is the girls. Girls is plural, so we need a plural verb. The correct answer is play. The girls play in the garden. Remember, a plural subject takes a plural verb. Question 3. My father dash early every morning. Options: wake, wakes. The subject is my father. Father is singular, so we use the singular verb wakes. My father wakes early every morning. Question 4. The books dash on the table. Options: is, are. The subject is books. Books is plural, so the correct verb is are. The books are on the table. Question 5. Neither Ria nor her friends dash present today. Options: is, are. Here we have neither, nor. With neither, nor, the verb agrees with the subject closer to the verb. The first subject is Ria, which is singular. The second subject is her friends, which is plural. The subject closer to the verb is friends, so we use the plural verb are. Neither Ria nor her friends are present today. Remember, with either, or and neither, nor, look at the subject nearest to the verb. Question 6. Each of the students dash a notebook. Options: has, have. The important word here is each. Each is always treated as singular. Therefore, we use the singular verb has. Each of the students has a notebook. Question 7. The news dash true. Options: is, are. Although news ends in s, it is treated as a singular noun. Therefore, the correct answer is. The news is true. Question 8. Mathematics dash my favorite subject. Options: is, are. Mathematics is the name of a subject and is treated as singular. So, the correct answer is. Mathematics is my favorite subject. The same applies to subjects such as physics and chemistry. Question 9. The teacher and the principal dash discussing the matter. Options: is, are. Here we have two different people, the teacher and the principal. They are two subjects joined by and. Therefore, we use the plural verb are. The teacher and the principal are discussing the matter. Question 10. Either the boys or their captain dash responsible. Options: is, are. Here we have either, or. The first subject is the boys, which is plural. The second subject is their captain, which is singular. The subject closer to the verb is captain, which is singular. Therefore, the correct answer is. Either the boys or their captain is responsible. Remember, with either, or, the verb agrees with the neither subject. Question 11. A pair of shoes dash under the bed. Options: is, are. Although shoes is plural, the complete subject is a pair of shoes. The main subject is pair, which is singular. Therefore, we use is. A pair of shoes is under the bed. Question 12. The furniture in this room dash very expensive. Options: is, are. The subject is furniture. Furniture is an uncountable noun and is treated as singular. Therefore, the correct answer is. The furniture in this room is very expensive. Question 13. Everyone dash to be happy. Options: seems. The subject is everyone. Remember, everyone and everybody are always treated as singular. Therefore, we use seems. Everyone seems to be happy. Question 14. The children dash their homework regularly. Options: do, does. The subject is children. Children is a plural noun. Therefore, we use the plural verb do. The children do their homework regularly. Question 15. One of my friends dash in Delhi. Options: live, lives. The important word here is one. Although friends is plural, the actual subject is one. One is singular, so we use lives. One of my friends lives in Delhi. Question 16. Neither of the answers dash correct. Options: is, are. The important word is neither. Neither is treated as singular in standard school grammar. Therefore, the correct answer is. Neither of the answers is correct. Question 17. The cattle dash grazing in the field. Options: is, are. The word cattle is treated as a plural noun. Therefore, we use the plural verb are. The cattle are grazing in the field. Question 18. My mother, along with my sisters, dash going to the market. Options: is, are. Here we have the expression along with. The main subject is my mother, which is singular. Along with my sisters does not change the number of the main subject. Therefore, we use is. My mother, along with my sisters, is going to the market. Remember, with expressions such as along with, as well as, and together with, the verb agrees with the main subject. Question 19. 10 kilometers dash a long distance to walk. Options: is, are. Here, 10 kilometers represents one complete distance. When a measurement of distance is considered as one unit, we use a singular verb. Therefore, the correct answer is. 10 kilometers is a long distance to walk. Question 20. The scissors dash on the desk. Options: is, are. The word scissors is normally treated as a plural noun. Therefore, we use the plural verb are. The scissors are on the desk. Remember, a pair of scissors is, but the scissors are. So, these are the important subject-verb agreement rules covered in this exercise. Keep practicing.
Now come
and
to the
don't
next
forget to
exercise.
pause the video and try the questions yourself
Ria
before
as
checking
well
the
as her
answers.
friends dash going to the picnic. Option given is are. Here as well as is given and as well as is your agrees with the first subject Ria. As well as agrees with the first subject Ria. So this is Ria is singular. So singular verb is singular verb, that is. This is is. Next one. The teacher as well as the students. Here also as well as is given. This is as well as is given. First subject the teacher. Teacher is the singular, so this is your was. Was the answer. Rice and curry. Rice and curry, this is your one dish. So this is your singular. Rice and curry always singular. This is. Bread and butter. Dash a healthy breakfast. Bread and butter is a healthy breakfast. This is also singular. Bread and butter singular. The poet and novelist. The poet and novelist is given. So poet and novelist both are same person. The poet and novelist is given. Novelist is given. Person who is both a poet and a novelist. So was, singular verb was. The poet and the novelist. Here and the is given. That means this is your and the given. That means they are two different people. So where? They are two different people. So where? Next one. The jury dash reached its decision. Jury acts as one unit. Reach its decision means acts as one unit. So singular verb. Here jury is singular verb because it acts as one unit. The jury divided in their opinion. Divided is given. Divided is given, that means acting individually. So plural verb. This is your where. Divided given, then where. Plural. Acting individually, they are acting individually, so plural. The team dash playing very well today. The team here singular. This is your, the team is singular. The team is playing very well today. The team dash arguing among themselves. The team arguing among themselves means here are, the team are. Arguing themselves is given here, this is plural. The team are arguing among themselves. Neither Rohan nor his friends. This is neither nor given, so see the subject near to the verb, that is friends. Friends is plural, so answer here are. Are is the plural verb. Neither his friends nor Rohan dash ready. Here also neither nor given. See the verb, the subject nearest to verb, that is Rohan. Rohan is singular, so is. This verb, the subject nearest to verb is singular, so this is your singular verb is. Neither his friends nor Rohan is ready. Either the teacher or the student dash responsible for the mistake. Here students. Students is the plural. Students plural, so plural verb are. Either the teacher or the students are responsible for the mistake. Either the students or the teacher dash responsible. Here teacher, here is given teacher. Teacher singular, so this is your singular verb is. Subject near to the verb. 10 kilometers, 10 kilometers always, this is unit is your singular. 5 years, this is also time is singular. 5 years is a long time to wait. A number of students dash absent today. A number of students means many, so it takes plural verb. A number of students, here this is your many, so plural verb are. The number of students, the number of students increasing every year. Here the number of students is singular, so this is your is. Here a number of students plural, so are, that means many. The number of students is plural, singular, so is. The number of students is increasing every year. The number of students means, let students number is 50, there are 50 students, then it increases, so let 60, 70, so this is your singular. One of my friends dash in Mumbai. One of my friends, one is given, so this is your singular. Singular means lives. One of my friends lives in Mumbai. More than one student. Here more than one student given, so followed by a single noun. Here single, this is your student. Student is singular noun, so verb also singular. Has. More than one student has made this mistake.